So how on earth are you wanting us to see other people's website and review their code if we're not actually sitting there on Zoom or in person talking with each other? Well, I'll show you how you can do it. I'm going to choose a random site. Let's see, I'm going to choose this one. So this should be familiar to you, our CIS 130 web page and CIS 130. And then I'm going to choose pick a student, and doesn't matter which one. And so I'm going to pick a student, and then what you can do if you want to see what their code is. Now remember, this is this person's live website. You can right click on the page. If you right click on an image, it's not going to give you the same drop down. Notice this gives me information about view image, and I'm not wanting image, I'm wanting to see about the web page. So I need to right click on a part of the web page, and then I can see view page source. By clicking on that, I see the actual HTML that is behind the scenes of that website. That's true on any live website, not just ours. It's true on any site. You can go into the code and see what it is that they did to create what it is you're looking at. So it's a great learning tool. But on top of that, maybe I want to see what her style sheet did. So I can click on Style CSS, and then I can analyze the style sheet and compare that perhaps side by side. And then I could get an idea of what she did and how she did it and how she was able to achieve the things that she has going on there. So this is what I'm encouraging you all to do, so that way you can get ideas to make your personal websites that you've been working on all semester look professional, so you can get those extra points at the end of the semester for your count towards your final grade.